Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss an important topic, that is articles. Dear students, this topic we have read in the previous classes, class 4, 5, and today we will also read it in the class 6. Dear students, you all know that what are the articles in English. Dear students, the word a, and the. There are three articles in English language. Okay, students? So, students, just open your notebook and start writing what are the articles. So, just put the heading articles. Just say, students, articles. What are the articles? Just put the heading articles. What are the articles? Dear students, just write down what are the articles. The word a, the word a, that is also known as a, and the. These three words, and the. Okay, just see the word and the. These three words are known as article in English. Just write down, are known as article in English. Just see, students, the word a and the are known as article in English. Okay, students, you all know that there are two kinds of articles, indefinite article and definite articles. Okay, students, so just write down the heading kinds of article. Kinds of article. Just put the heading kinds of article. Kinds of article. Kinds of article. Yes, students, you know that there are three articles in English, a and the. And there are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article. Dear students, we have already read it in the previous classes, but once again I am telling you that the word a, the word and these two articles are indefinite article, and the word the is definite article. Okay, students, you all have read these two kinds of articles, but you have to write it again. Let's see, kinds of article. Just put the heading kinds of article and write down about it. Kinds of article. There are two kinds of article. First, indefinite article. Indefinite articles, and the second one is definite article. Definite articles. Okay, students, there are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite articles. In the category of indefinite article, we keep the article a and in the category of definite article, we keep the article the. Okay, students, so first of all you write these two kinds, the name of the kinds, indefinite article and definite articles. Okay, students, and after completing it you will put the heading indefinite articles. What are the indefinite articles? Okay, we will discuss in detail what are the indefinite articles. So put the heading, what are indefinite articles? Indefinite articles. Just put the heading, students, indefinite articles. As I have already told you that there are two articles a and that we keep in the category of indefinite article. Okay, students, so just write down the word a and a. The word a okay, a and these two words a and. Just see the word a and are indefinite articles. Are indefinite articles. Are indefinite articles in English. Okay, students, just see the word a and. These two words are known as indefinite article in English. Okay, and when do we use it? They are used before the singular noun that denotes only one thing. The word a and the word and both denotes only one thing, singular thing, common singular thing, and it is also used for the countable nouns that we can count. Okay, for example, a child, an honest man. We can count these two things. Okay, so keep in your mind that we use the article a and before the countable nouns. Similar before the countable and similar noun. Okay, students, so just write down the word a and an are indefinite article in English. They are used before common. They are used before. I think it is visible. You see, they are used before common, singular, and countable nouns. And countable nouns. And countable nouns. Okay, students, just write down. What are the indefinite articles? The word a and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before common, singular, and countable noun. Okay, students, for example, you can write. Just see the example. Just write down the example. A girl. Girl is what? The word girl. Girl is what kind of noun? That is common noun. Okay, students. So just before this common noun, we can use article a. Okay, a girl. Just see, students. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. That is also a singular noun, and it starts with the. Yes, students, we will discuss later the use of a and use of an, but I am telling you here we will use an because the pronunciation of this word start with the vowel sound. Therefore, we will use here an apple. Okay, a girl, an apple, a pen. It is also countable noun, etc. Okay, students, so just write out. What is indefinite articles? The word a and an. These two are indefinite articles in English. Okay, they are used before common, singular, and countable nouns. And example you can see a girl, an apple, a pen, etc. These words are known as what? Indefinite articles in English. Okay, students, so just write down in your notebook. Okay. Yes, students, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, I hope that you all have written up to this. So I am going to erase it. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students? I hope that everything is clear to you. Just put the next heading. What is definite articles? Okay. Just second heading, put definite articles. Definite articles. I have already told you that what is definite article? The word the. The word the is definite articles. Okay? Just see. Write down. What is definite articles? Dear students, just write down what is definite articles. The is only definite article in English. Okay, the is only definite article in English. In English. Okay, students, we will read the use of each letter. Okay, we will also read the use of a, use of and, use of the. Dear students, in these two kinds you have known that there are three kinds of article, but we keep a and an in the category of indefinite articles, and we keep the article the, we keep the word the in the category of definite articles. Dear students, I hope that you all have understood the things. There are two kinds of article, definite article and indefinite article. The word the is definite article and the word a and an, these two are indefinite articles. Okay, students, so just write down. And after that we will discuss the use of a, use of and, use of the. Okay, students? So students, I am going to erase it and just put the heading use of a. Use of a. Where do we use the article a? Where do we use the article and? Where do we use the article the? So students, just put the heading use of a. Use of a. Just see, use of a. Okay? Dear students, I want to tell you that we use the article a just before the singular noun, and that also, that must be start with the consonant sound. Dear students, you all know that the word A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these 5 letters of English are known as vowels. And rest of the words from B to Z except these 5. Okay, the rest 21 words are known as consonant. Okay, consonants. Dear students, but I am telling you that we use the article and before the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound, not letters. Okay, before the consonant sound. So students, just put the heading use of a. Then you could understand very well where do we use the article a. Just see students, just put the heading use of a. Now we will discuss the use of a. Use. Just see students, a is used, the article a is used before, a is used before a words beginning. Beginning means start. Okay, beginning with consonant sound. Consonant sound. Just see, a is used before the word beginning with consonant sound. Okay, students, consonant sound. Consonant sound. Dear students, you also have read the vowel and consonant in Hindi. Okay, you all have read that from a to aha. That is swar or it is vowel. Okay, that is vowel in Hindi. Just see, from a to aha, that is vowel, and from ka to gya, that is consonant, that is known as vyanjan in Hindi. You all have it. Okay, students, just see. So, students, if you want to check the sound, you should know the Hindi vowel and Hindi consonants. Okay, if you know the sound of swar, if you know the sound of vyanjan, then you can use the correct articles. Okay, as I had told you that we use the article a just before a word beginning with the consonant sound, not letters, consonant sound. It means from ka to gya. The sound, the pronunciation of that word must be start with the consonant sound from ka to gya. Okay, students? So just keep in your mind all these things. Because sometimes the word university, just see, university. Just see, the word U is according to English letter, that is vowel. But the sound is U, that is consonant according to the Hindi. So we will not use here and. The word use the use of and is wrong here. And we will use a university. Because the sound of this letter is Y, that is consonant. Okay, students? So as I have told you that we use the article a before the consonant sound, not letters. Before the consonant sound. Just see, a is used before the word beginning with the consonant sound. Example. Example you can write. Just see, B-A-G, bag. What would be the sound of that? B. Therefore, we will use a bag. Okay? Just see here. Cat. And the sound of this word is ka. Therefore, we will use the article a. Okay, students? Keep in your mind all these things. Okay? Just say, students, uniform. Uniform. That is very, very important. You must pay attention here. Just see, U. The word U is what? Vowel in English language, but the sound is U. U. That is consonant in Hindi. Therefore, we will use here a. We will check the consonant sound from Hindi vyanjan. Okay? So just see, a bag, a cat, a uniform. We cannot say that an uniform. Okay? So in this way we will use the article a. Okay, students, keep in your mind that we use the article a before the word that begins with the consonant sound. Okay, students, so just write down an example. You will also write so that you could understand very well. The word a will be used just before the word beginning with the consonant sound. Okay, is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, students. So just write down about it, and after that you will put the heading use of and. Use of and. A and. Just see. Use of and. I hope that you all have understood the use of a. Okay, now just see the use of and. And is used, the word, the article and is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. Okay, students, just see. Use of and. And is used before the word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay? Vowel sound. Don't think that that is vowel in English. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? These 5 letters of English is known as vowel. But here we are talking about the sound, vowel sound, and you all know that from a to a. That is vowel in English. A, I, O, A, I, O, These letters in Hindi, that is known as swar. That is known as vowel. So here we will check the sound with these, with the help of Hindi vowel. Okay? So, just see, we will use the article and before the word beginning with the vowel sound. Beginning with the vowel sound. Okay? So, just write down the example, students. Example. Just see. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Okay, apple. The sound of this, that is A is also vowel in English and the sound is A. That is also swar in Hindi. Therefore, we will use here and. We will use the article and apple. Okay, elephant. Just see. E-L-E-P-H-A and T. Okay, elephant. E is vowel in English also and elephant. A is also what? Vowel. Okay, in Hindi. Therefore, we will use here an elephant. Okay, students? So, keep in your mind. Just see one more that is very, very important. H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest man. Yes, students, just see. Here the word H is consonant. The word H is consonant. But the pronunciation of this word is honest. Just see, students. The pronunciation of this word honest start with the swar in Hindi. Okay, the word is what? Is swar. Is vowel in Hindi. Okay, so we will check the sound with Hindi vowel. Okay, with Hindi consonants. So here, although it is H is consonant in English, but the pronunciation of this word begins with the vowel sound. Therefore, we will use here and. Okay, students? So keep in your mind. Okay, keep in your mind that the word that start with the, we will use the article and before the word start with the vowel sound. Okay, students? So we will use the article and before the word honest. Honest man. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the use of a and use of and. We use the article a just before the word beginning with the vowel consonant sound, and we use the article and before the word beginning with the vowel sound. Okay students, is it clear to you? I hope that you all have understood the use of a and use of an. Okay students, if you have any kind of doubts in these two use of articles, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, in the next class we will discuss the use of the. Okay, and we will also discuss the exercises given in the chapter. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you.